when buying a house, it is very important that you have a specified or a specific amount in your salary. Um, One of the requirements those lending institutions will look for is your capacity to pay. And either you will show your payslip, your what do you call that, your COE with compensation, certificate of employment with compensation, or your ITR or income tax return showing how much you have been remitting to the BIR. Last year, when I tried to justify that every Filipino can buy a house, I tried searching for the allowable salary that banks can do in order to be approved. Disclaimer, this vlog is only about banks. I'm gonna talk about Pag-ibig on the next video. So I got to this website from BDO. It is a calculator, a salary calculator, or how much you can borrow, how much you can borrow relative to how much you're earning. So when I typed there my salary in the airport, I'm not gonna say how much, but it's less than 40,000 pesos. It got a red mark on it, which means I am not allowed to buy a house because of my low salary, which bums me out because I know I can pay for the house, the monthly amortization. I know I can pay for it, but it's a private institution, so I cannot do anything about it. What I found out instead was when I typed in 50,000 pesos, there I saw how much I can loan. So with that, because of that, I've already told my clients that, my prospective clients, that if they want to buy a house, their salary should be 50,000 pesos or more. Now, if their salary is not 50,000 pesos, there's a way to do it. Number one, get a co-borrower. Co-borrower should be a direct relative or probably a boyfriend and girlfriend, which will become your spouse. Hopefully will become your spouse in the future. And number two, another lending institution. Number three is Pag-ibig, but in the next video. Number two is another lending institution, and this has a bigger interest and a bigger collateral. So anyway, let's talk about the bank. Why do they not let us borrow, or why do they not let us buy a house if our salary is less than 50,000 pesos? It's because banks want to know or want to be secured that you can actually pay for the house. Despite the fact that we give them all our money, all our life savings, despite all that fact, they still wouldn't trust us. And paired that with a high interest, which their lowest interest, I think, this year is 5.5% from China Bank. And their average per year is about 6.5, which is very high. So high interest means you have to have a high salary in order to afford the monthly amortization of that house. Once again, if you really wanted to buy a house, you know why I'm talking about this, because there are some developers who offer housing projects, but they are not accredited with Pag-ibig, or the house or the project is not accredited with Pag-ibig. This is because Pag-ibig has a long process of appraising a project or a developer. So developers, stay away from that, and then go to the bank instead, partner with the bank instead, so that they can already sell their project. And it sucks, man. It sucks. There are many worthy Filipinos who should have a house but cannot because of this fact. So what I can suggest is, my solution is, get a co-buyer or co-borrower, maybe a spouse or a direct relative or a best friend. Banks will allow that. My point is, if you want to buy a house, contact a real estate agent, ask if your salary is worth it, and so that you will not have any problems. Okay, this is just a very quick video because I wanted to flex my mic. I just bought this off of Shopee. So bye, thank you, see you.